students, this video for book exercise and question answer. Okay, lesson 2. What is the topic name of lesson 2? India mineral wealth and industries. Page number 37. Metallic minerals are found in the form of rocks called dash. Metallic minerals are found in the form of rocks called dash. Ore, mine. What is correct? Ores. O-R-E-S. Ores. Now, second one. Aluminium is extracted from an ore called bauxite copper. Here correct answer bauxite. B-A-U-X-I-T-E. Bauxite. Now page number 37. Coal, petroleum and natural gas are also called dash. What is your correct answer? Fossil fuels, non-metallic mineral. Here correct, fossil fuels. Okay, F-O-S-S-I-L, fossil fuels. F-U-E-L-S, fuels. Now, second one, the gas cylinder used for cooking at home contains LPG, coal. Correct answer LPG. Okay, the gas cylinder used for cooking at home contains LPG. Okay, now page number 40. By burning garbage, dead plant and animal matter, we get dash. Biomass, solar energy. Correct answer biomass. B-I-O, biomass. M-A-S-S, biomass. Now page number 41. Which type of industry function with simple tools? Small scale, cottage. Here given two answer. Small scale, cottage. Correct answer cottage. C-O-T-T-A-G-E, cottage. Because cottage only very small and are set up in the people homes. Here question, which type of industry function with simple tools? Cottage only. Correct answer cottage. Okay, now page number 42. Mysore is famous for silk jute. Jute is famous for West Bengal, but here Mysore is famous for silk. S-I-L-K, silk. Okay, now page number 45. Book back. Fill in the blanks. A1. Minerals are found in the form of rocks called dash. Listen. Minerals are found in the form of rocks called dash. Ore. O-R-E-S. What your answer? Ores. O-R-E-S. Okay. Now, second one. The process of drilling holes in the surface of the earth to take out minerals is called dash. Mining. What answer? Mining. M-I-N. Mine. Ink. I-N-G. Mining. Okay. Now C1. A black substance got from coal called dash is used as fuel in iron and steel industries. Iron and steel industries. Listen. Coke. C-O-K-E. What answer? C-O-K-E. Coke. Now, D1. Coal and dash are formed over millions years. Okay. Again one time. Coal and dash are formed over millions of years. Petroleum. What answer here? Petroleum. P-E-T. Pet. R-O. Ro. Lium. L-E-L-U-M-M. Petroleum. Now, E1. Very big industries employing thousands of people are called dash. Large scale industries. L-A-R-G-E. Large scale. S-C-A-L-E. Scale. Large scale industries. I-N-D-U-S. Industries. T-R-I-E-S. Industries. Okay. Again one time. Fill up answer. First one ores. Second one mining. Third one coke. Fourth one petroleum. And fifth one large scale industries. Now choose the correct answer. First one, basket and shawl. Basket and shawls are example of product made in dash. Small scale industries, cottage industries, large scale industries. Here correct answer, cottage industries. Cottage industries. Okay. Now, second one, dash is known as black gold, petroleum, mica, coal. What answer here? Petroleum. P-E-T. Pet. R-O-R-O. L-E-U-M. Petroleum. Okay. Now, C1. Dash is converted into ammonia, which is used for making fertilizer. Again, dash is converted into ammonia, which is used for making fertilizer. Answer is given 3. Oil, natural gas, iron. Here correct answer, natural gas. What spelling? N-A-T. U-R-A-L. Natural gas. G-A-S. Natural gas. Now, fourth one, dash resources do not pollute the air. Dash resources do not pollute the air. Renewable. First answer. Second answer, renewable and non-renewable. Third one, non-renewable. Here correct answer, renewable. R-E-N-E-W-A-B-L-E. Renewable. Now, E1, dash is known as black diamond, coal, copper, petroleum. What here correct? Coal. C-O-A-L. Okay. Again one time choose answer. First one cottage industries. Second one petroleum. Third one natural gas. Fourth one renewable. Fifth one coal. Now match the following. Cement. Answer limestone. B. Railway track. Answer iron. C. Aluminium. Aluminium. Aeroplane. D. Biomass. Renewable energy. Fifth one. Electrical goods. Answer mica. Okay. B, D, A, E, C. Now, page number 46. Answer the following question in one or two sentences. Two sentences. Okay. First one. A. Name some non-metallic minerals. Again. Name some non-metallic mineral. Now answer. Some non-metallic minerals are coal, petroleum and natural gas, mica and limestone. Again, some non-metallic mineral. N-O-N, non-me-ta, T-A-L, tall, lic, L-I-C, lic, metallic, mineral, M-I-N-E-R-A-L-S, minerals are coal, petroleum and natural gas, petroleum, P-E-T, pet, R-O-L-E-M-U-M-M, petroleum and natural, N-A-T-U-R-A-L, natural, gas, G-A-S, mica, M-I-C-A, and lime, L-I-M-E, lime, stone, S-T-O-N-E, limestone. Okay. Now, B. Where are oil and natural gas found in India? Again, where are oil and natural gas found in India? Answer. Oil and natural gas are found in Bombay High. B-O-M, bomb, B-A-Y, bay, Bombay High, H-I-G-H, Bombay High. Big boy in Assam, D-I-G, dig, boy, B-O-I, boy, I-N in Assam, A-S, Assam, S-A-M, Assam. Gujarat, G-U, Gujar, J-A-J, R-A-T, Rat, Gujarat. And Rajasthan, R-A-J, Raj, S, A-S, Dan, D-H-A-N, Dan, Rajasthan. Okay. Oil and natural gas are found in Bombay High, Big Boy in Assam, Gujarat and Rajasthan. Now, C1. What are fossil fuels? What are fossil fuels? Coal, petroleum and Natural gas are also called fossil fuels as they are formed over millions of years from the dead remains of plants and animals. They are used to produce energy. Again one time, coal, petroleum and natural gas are also called fossil fuels as they are formed over millions of years from the dead remains of plants and animals. They are used to produce energy. Now, fourth one, what are refineries? Deep oil wells are drilled to pump out these minerals oil reservoirs. This unrefined oil called crude oil or petroleum is then refined in industrial plants called refineries. Okay. Now fifth one, what kind of product is manufactured in large scale industries? Now answer, the product manufactured in large scale industries are iron and steel, cement, automobile, shipbuilding, textiles and so on.